What if I told you growing potatoes in the ground is actually the worst way to do it? You might think, wait, isn't that how farmers have done it for centuries? But what if I told you there's a faster, easier and more productive way to grow potatoes without the back-breaking digging, endless weeding and the constant battle with pests? Stick around because today I'm revealing 8 surprising reasons why once you try container grown potatoes, you'll never go back to plant them in the ground again. And trust me, you won't want to miss reason number 6. It's a total game changer. Hi, I'm Tony O'Neill, creator of Simplified Gardening with over 40 years of experience and best-selling gardening books. I've spent 18 years on YouTube helping gardeners grow bigger, healthier crops. Let's get started. Think you need a big garden to grow potatoes? Think again. Container gardening lets you grow potatoes anywhere, on patios, balconies, even driveways, and the best part, you can stack them vertically when storing, move them around to catch the sun, and even tuck them into unused corners of your garden. You're no longer limited by the size of your yard, making this method perfect for small space gardeners. But even if you have a large garden like me, containers can still be a game changer. You can strategically place them in sunny spots, rotate them easily, and even integrate them into your existing garden design to optimize the space use. Plus, having a mobile setup allows you to experiment with different growing conditions without committing to a fixed garden bed. If you find a certain location isn't working, you can just move the containers to a better spot, something you can't do with ground-grown potatoes. If you've ever lost a crop to wireworms, slugs or the dreaded potato blight, you know the heartbreak. But here's the secret. Containers put you in full control of your soil, drastically reducing pest problems. One of the biggest advantages is that containers create a physical barrier between your potatoes and the soil-borne pests. Wireworms, nematodes and even voles that would normally tunnel through your garden soil won't reach your container crops. Additionally, rotating soil in traditional garden beds can be a challenge. Soil-borne diseases like blight and scab can linger for years, infecting new plants season after season. With containers, you can replace and refresh the soil yearly, completely avoiding these persistent diseases. This means that there's less reliance on chemical treatments and healthier, more organic growing conditions, something every home gardener can appreciate. In-ground potatoes are at the mercy of whatever soil your garden has. Too much clay, poor drainage, bad luck. With containers, you control the soil. I personally use a mix of homemade compost, coconut coir and blood fish and bone meal. It retains moisture while ensuring proper drainage. And best of all, no weeds stealing nutrients from your potatoes. Pro tip, reuse and refresh your soil with compost each season. It's sustainable and cost effective. You can even experiment with different soil blends for better yields. Some growers find that adding worm castings or aged manure gives the potatoes an extra boost of nutrients, leading to larger, healthier tubers. Potatoes require consistent moisture, but despise waterlogged soil. Too much water can lead to rot and too little can stunt growth. Finding that perfect balance can be difficult in traditional garden beds, especially in areas with unpredictable rainfall. Containers give you full control over moisture levels, and the right container with proper drainage ensures excess water escapes, preventing rot. Instead of fighting compacted garden soil, you create the perfect environment for steady, healthy growth. One of the best tricks is mulching. Covering the soil surface with straw, grass clippings or even shredded leaves reduces evaporation, keeping the soil moist without overwatering. If you're growing in a hot climate, consider placing your containers in a partially shaded area during peak summer hours to prevent excessive drying. For ultimate convenience, install drip irrigation systems. These slow release watering systems, they ensure your potatoes receive steady moisture without waste. Set it up once and your potatoes will thrive with minimal effort. And here's where it gets exciting. Coming up next, I'll reveal a technique that can actually double or even triple your potato harvests in the same container. You won't believe how simple it is. Now, speaking of containers, you might be wondering, Where can I get a good one that actually works? Well, I've got you covered. The very containers that I use and trust for all my potato growing are from Oakland Gardens. They're 30-litre containers with superior drainage, built-in feet to elevate them off the ground, and reinforced handles for easy movement. These containers have lasted me for over 12 years, and they recently had a major design upgrade, making them stronger and more efficient. And here's the best part. You can grab 10 of these containers for just £33 delivered straight to your door using my code SIMPLIFY33 at checkout. That's right, 10 high quality containers for £33 with the next day delivery in the UK. Trust me, for the value and quality, this deal is unmatched. The link is in the description below. Check it out and take your potato growing to the next level. This is a UK only deal at the moment. I'm still working on getting them into the USA. You might think, can a container really produce a lot of potatoes? The answer is yes. Sometimes even more than traditional beds. This is because multi-layer planting allows for vertical growth, unlike the ground where tubers spread horizontally. Containers encourage upward growth, letting you stack layers of potatoes within the same space. Using deep containers like the ones I do, or grow bags, barrels, or stackable planters enables multiple levels of tuber development, effectively doubling or even tripling your yield compared to in-ground beds of the same footprint. The ability to fine-tune your soil mix means each plant gets optimal nutrients, leading to bigger, healthier harvests. And like traditional beds where nutrients can get depleted over time, container soil remains rich and uncontaminated, providing the perfect growing conditions season after season. Another major factor, potato variety selection. Certain potatoes, like determinate varieties, grow in layers, making them ideal for containers. If you choose the right type and optimize your growing conditions, you can harvest more potatoes from a single container than in a full row in the garden. And talking about potatoes, I've made a tool that will not only tell you whether a potato is determinate, indeterminate, first early, second early, or main crop. It will give you planting depth, harvest times, where the potato comes from, how to use them, and a ton more information. And a link for that tool is in the description below. And did I mention it's totally free to use? Here's where containers truly shine. Traditional in-ground planting is bound by frost dates and soil temperature, but containers give the flexibility. You can start your potatoes earlier in the season and keeping them indoors in a greenhouse or polytunnel well before it's safe to plant outside. Since containers warm up faster than the ground, they allow quicker sprouting, giving your potatoes a head start while in-ground gardeners are still waiting for the soil to thaw. And at the end of the season, simply move those containers indoors into a garage or a covered porch to extend your harvest beyond the first frosts. In traditional gardens, an unexpected cold snap can kill your plants overnight. But with containers, you can protect them and continue growing well into the fall or early winter. Want to enjoy fresh potatoes nearly year round? Try staggered planting. By planting in multiple containers a few weeks apart, you can create a continuous harvest cycle. This ensures that you always have potatoes ready without a single overwhelming harvest window. Ever stabbed a potato with a shovel while digging it up? Ouch. Traditional harvesting can be back-breaking, frustrating experience if you've ever spent hours carefully sifting through the soil only to accidentally damage your best potatoes. You know the struggle. With containers, harvesting is effortless. When your plants are ready, simply tip the container over and sift through the loose soil with your bare hands. No digging, no damage, no wasted potatoes, just pure, satisfying harvests. This is especially beneficial for people with limited mobility or physical constraints. If bending over a garden bed is tough for you, using raised planters or table height containers makes harvesting as easy as scooping out soil into a bucket. Another advantage, you know exactly where your potatoes are. In traditional beds, you often miss some tubers, which can then lead to volunteer plants popping up next season. With containers, everything is contained, making everything easier and preventing unintended regrowth. Let's be honest, no one loves weeding. Traditional garden beds attract endless weeds that steal nutrients and water from your potatoes, but with containers, no weeds, no hassle, just thriving potatoes with minimal effort. One of the biggest frustrations of in-ground gardening is how quickly weeds can take over your potato beds. Potatoes require loose, well-aerated soil, which also happens to be perfect for weed seeds to germinate. This means constant weeding throughout the growing season. With containers, you completely eliminate that problem. Using fresh soil every season ensures weed-free growing conditions, saving you hours of tedious labour. And since you won't be tilling or disturbing existing soil layers, there's less chance of dormant weed seeds sprouting. The result? More time enjoying your garden and less time fighting unwanted plants. So there you have it, 8 powerful reasons to ditch in-ground potato growing forever. From maximising space and preventing pests to simpler harvesting and higher yields, container gardening is a total game changer. Imagine stepping outside your door, tipping over a container and revealing a mountain of perfect clean potatoes. No pests, no weeds, no digging. That's the magic of container gardening. If this has inspired you, let me know in the comments, and if you want to see this very process in action where I grew 450 pounds of potatoes in this small space, then this is the next video that you should watch. I'm Tony O'Neill and this is Simplified Gardening. I'll see you there. Bye.